What's up everybody, it's Adrian here, and in this video I wanted to show you this amazing tablet that I got sent over by the people at xppen. This is Deco LW pen tablet, and it's a Bluetooth tablet, so it's a wireless one. I've never had anything like this before, so I wanted to open it up with you guys and put it to a test. So we're gonna paint something with this, and I wanted you guys to join me on this experience. So let's jump right into it. Well, that looks good. Looks pretty lightweight. It actually is pretty lightweight. What else we have here? Of course, the cable. We have the ring to extract the nibs. We have some nibs here. And oh, of course, the pen itself. The stylus. That looks cool. It doesn't want to focus. Come on, focus on this. Look. There you go. So it has definitely a different shape, like different from any other tablet that I've used, but it's dudes, it's a pen. Like, what else do you expect? It's just a stylus. It's one button, two buttons. It's pretty cool. It seems to have 8,000 levels of pressure, I think. 8,000 levels. Yeah. That's it. Let's open this thing real quick. That's pretty nice. Wow, the nibs are actually very thin, unless... I'm not sure. Yeah, they're cool. And there's a bunch of them, actually. I'm not sure how many are there here. About 10, I would say. Here's some adapters for the USB, USB-C, USB, normal USB. And this is the cable. Are you guys ready? Big reveal. It's looking nice. It's looking pretty cool. All right. Oh, I'm gonna shut up for this one. It's stuck to my arm now. What a way to ruin it. But yeah, dudes, this looks very clean, very simple. I like the lack of thick margins. Like, there's no giant bezels or edges or whatever you want to call that. It seems pretty comfortable. Like, it's nice, you know. So the buttons are pretty clicky. You can hear it. This little USB port right here, it's a Type-C USB port. This is the power button, and this is the Bluetooth receiver for my computer. So I'm gonna plug that in. Look how clean this looks. It's so simple, so small. I would say it's not too big, not too small. It's nice. So this is the Deco LW. L stands for large, I would like to think, and W for the wireless kind of thing, which was, again, a total surprise for me. I didn't expect that, but yeah, we're gonna be testing it out and see what we can do with it. It's now, well, it should be working. It's charging, as you can see, and look, see the little LED right here? So I had to connect it because I had some issues pairing it through the, you know, with the Bluetooth kind of stuff. I'm currently selecting the area that I want. My setup has 3 monitors, so I only want to operate on one of them. So, oh, that's awesome. There you go. So I'm now working on this monitor, which is the one that I want to use, and we should be good. Let's see the pen settings. Eraser, right click. Okay, there's some pressure settings right here. I'm actually gonna just mess around with it a little bit. Oh, you can actually see the current pressure there. It feels nice. You actually have to press quite a lot to get there. I doubt I'm ever gonna press that much. Yeah, this kind of a curve I think feels better. Or you have this preset kind of slider right here to make it easier. So I'm just gonna leave it at something like this. Oh, and I think I'm gonna disable the Windows ink kind of thing. And that's it. We should be good to go. Oh, there, yeah, of course, it has some shortcut keys. Can I make it bigger? There's no way to make this window bigger. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it says K1, K2, 3, all the way until 8. So you can customize them here. Though I'm really used to my keyboard, and I don't really use shortcuts on any tablet. So, but yeah, in case you need them, would be cool to have a key to let me switch screens or something. There you go, switch monitor. This is what I want. I guess it would be cool to have them numbered in a different way rather than these dots that they seem to have, you know, on the keys. I'm not sure if you guys can see them, but you see there's like these points, these dots. I mean, maybe this is just now in the very beginning for me because I'm not used to this tablet, but let's give it a try. Let's see what we can do with it. So let's say it's now set up. I've saved the configuration. Now I can just hop off. Oh, what the hell? That little message down there is so annoying, bro. Is it always gonna show it? Really? Anyway, why is there's no pressure sensitivity for some reason? It doesn't detect it. I don't know why. Let's try again. Maybe there's something wrong here. Should I enable the Windows ink kind of thing? Okay, so apparently we need the Windows ink. That's all right. And now we can finally start painting. So yeah, this part is most likely gonna be sped up. So I'll see you when I'm done with it. Oh, for fuck's sake, bro. Hey man, alright, so something very strange is going on right now. Like, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this, but it's quite unfortunate. I don't know why this is happening. See how much it's lagging? I don't know. There you go. It came back. Cool. So this Windows ink is a big trouble for me. It's really a big issue because it slows me down so much. That was very strange. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going. Alright guys, we're finally done with this. So I would call it done at this point because I don't have any longer to spend on this. But I would say that for now it's looking pretty good. Like in the very beginning I was kind of hesitant. Like I'm like, ah, fuck, this is not getting anywhere. This is like... But we pulled off something that is somewhat acceptable. Like there's something going on here at least. So anyway, this was just my attempt at putting this tablet to the test, and I hope you enjoyed it. The surface itself has this kind of paper-like texture, I would say, which some of you may like, some of you may not like. It's pretty small indeed, because I'm used to my other tablet, which is a little larger. Every time I was like, on this side, I'm like thinking there's more, and I'm like almost clicking on my table. You get used to it, you know, like in the very beginning, it took me a while to get used to the new size, the new, I don't know, the buttons, the texture, this paper-like kind of thing. These buttons over here as well. I got over it in the end, you know, and once you get in the zone, I don't think it matters much. My journey with this very painting here was like at the very beginning, I was struggling a little bit to get around the controls and to like the way this clicks and the way this changes from eraser to brush and vice versa and stuff like that. It's like the more I spend on this, the more you forget about these technical aspects and you get over these obstacles and just zone out and tap into this flow state, you know, where you're just creating regardless of whatever the tool is that you're using. So it's a matter of like getting used to it. So it's a nice tablet, guys. This is a nice thing to have. If any of you are interested in this, please let me know and we'll see how we can turn it into a giveaway contest or something like that. So thanks for watching. Thank you xppen for sending me this tablet, and I hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, stay creative, and have a good time. Bye-bye. Are we ready? Are we ready? We're always ready. Come on, let's go. Where's the product? Anyone seen the product? Which way? Which way is... Does it look better from this angle? I guess so. I don't know how to do this, man.